Guys, welcome to Tasty Time. Today we're going to be making creamy chicken sauce. This sauce is actually very nice and it goes with so many meals. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be marinating my chicken with some salt, some paprika and some pepper. Okay, so I'm just going to throw in all this into my chicken and then cover it up to marinate, and then I'm going to keep it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours before I bring it out to fry. So these are my ingredients for my sauce. I'm going to start by pouring in very little amount of groundnut oil, otherwise known as vegetable oil, into my pot, and I'm going to throw in my marinated chicken and I'm just going to brown this whole thing for a few minutes. Just make it brown, flip it, and now it's ready. So I'm going to bring it out and keep for my sauce. I used to go through the stress of washing, cooking, and pounding my burger just to get a great meal for my family. Not until I was told about Banga palm fruit extract. Well processed, easy to use, and so tasty. Now I can make a great meal for my family and I in no time.
My name is Mona Lisa Chindakoka and you're watching iBrandTV.
Okay, so now I'm going to throw in my minced garlic, and I'm going to throw in some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to throw in my already fried chicken and some meat stock. Actually, here I added seasoning. I don't know where the video went, but then I added some seasoning cubes in this mixture and I covered to boil, and it's ready. So I'm going to throw in my whipped cream. I'm using whipped cream for this sauce, so I'm going to add in a little amount of whipped cream to this mixture, and now I'm going to throw in my green peas and my carrots. I'm going to give this another stir. Okay, a pinch of salt. Sorry, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to give this a big stir. I'm adding a little more cream to it. Now this is boiling. I'm going to open this up.
My name is Ronediko. Please keep watching iBrandTV.
Give it another stir. Now I'm going to add my green pepper. I'm adding my green pepper last because I still want to keep the color and the whole, I don't know what's the word. You get ya. My sauce is almost ready, by the way. Just going to keep stirring this. Actually, at this point it's going to be thick, kind of thick a little. I don't know, it's going to be saucy at this point, and that's when you know it is actually ready. So you can serve this with any side dish. You can try it with rice, very amazing with pasta. Thank you for watching. I love you.